What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be talking about the Noco Genius 2 and a standard regular battery charger. I'll be comparing the pros and the cons about these two chargers, and also I'll give you my opinion about which charger might be the right one for you. But first, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing so we can reach 1,000 subscribers and I can continue making good contents for you guys. Also, don't forget to click the like button, comment any ideas you might have. Now, let's get into the video. So here we have a standard battery charger that you can just buy for like $40, $50 max. And this one is made by PowerTech, and it's a dual rate charger with automatic overcharge protection. It has 2 amps or 10 amps depending which one you want to charge your battery. So the 2 amps takes a bit of while to charge the battery, and the 10 amps charge it a bit more faster. So here's the indicator for the charging. So the red is charging and the green means fully charged. And here you have an overload protection light. When this one lights up, that means you're overloaded. And the one is reverse cable, so if you have a reverse cable, this one will light up. And you have the meter here that shows the capacity of the charge of the battery when it's getting charged, so you can tell if it's 100% charge or 50% charge. So it comes with a metal casing with vents on the top and vents on the side. So this is not something you can leave outdoor, because if the water goes in there from the rain, it's not gonna be good. It's gonna short this circuit inside and it's not gonna function anymore. So it comes with the regular clamps, so it's not something special or heavy duty. It's just a regular clamps with the standard AC power cord, so with 3-prong power cord, and that's it. So with this charger, probably you just need this if you want to charge a good fast charge on a battery, because it's 10 amps, so it's capable of doing that. So you can charge the battery faster, but preferably you have to use this indoor, so you don't want to expose this outside, otherwise it will be a short circuit if it gets wet from the rain. So, and this one is something that you have to keep an eye on once in a while to make sure that you don't overcharge your battery. Even though it has an automatic overcharge protection, with this battery you never know, because like I said, this is not a fully automatic charger. So one more thing, this doesn't have any desulfation mode, so it doesn't recondition your battery. So all it does is charge your battery, that's it. It's not fully automatic like the Noco Genius 2. So, and the only protection you have is only automatic overcharge. That's it. Well, the good thing about it, it's dual rate. If you want to charge only on 2 amps or 10 amps, that's it. So you have 2 selection. Plus the size is a bit bulky, so if you're gonna put this under the hood, you cannot close your hood for sure, because this will interfere with the hood from closing, because it's a big chunk of charger. And now let's go check out the Noco Genius 2. So here we have the Noco Genius 2. As you can see, the size difference, how big this charger is. It's like the Noco Genius 2 is like a pocket size charger. It's really small. Okay, so here we have the Noco Genius 2. This Noco Genius 2 is a fully automatic battery charger and maintainer. So it's a battery charger up to 40 amp hour at 15 hours of charge. And here this charger charges many types of battery. It can charge regular flooded battery, AGM, lithium ion, and also a 6-volt battery. Not like the regular charger, it doesn't charge a 6-volt battery, only at 12 volts. And the regular charger doesn't charge AGM or lithium ion. It only charges regular flooded battery. So the Noco Genius 2 is fully automatic. All you have to do is select the mode and it's gonna do everything by itself. It does desulfation mode at the same time, so it reconditions your battery. So and also it's fully waterproof, so even if you leave it outside, it's not gonna matter if it gets wet or even on the snow. It's waterproof, so it can survive the outdoor weather. Plus it has the temperature compensation, so that means that if the temperature goes very low, very cold, it's gonna adjust its voltage to compensate for the voltage drop because of the coldness, you know. So at least it doesn't do underload the charge on your battery, so it's still gonna do the same charge capacity even though it's cold outside. It's the same thing on the summertime. Instead of overcharging your battery because of the heat, this will reduce the charging rate, so you don't overcharge your battery. It's a fully automatic battery charger, and the only difference between this and the other charger is that this one is only 2 amps, so it takes a while to charge a battery, especially if it's a big battery, because this one is designed for 40 amp hour battery. So if you want to charge a bigger battery, it's gonna take a while. So, and this one is fully automatic. You just have to plug it in, you set it and forget it. So, and you have 4 indications here. See, this 4 light bar here indicates 25% of the charge. So if you have here the first bar, you get 25, the second bar 50, the third one 75, and the fourth one is 100. And once you reach fully charged, this 100% bar here will just light up and blink. That's doing a kind of like a trickle charging mode. So it's gonna trickle charge your battery and monitors your battery. If it needs a charge, then it's gonna charge again, always keeping your battery fully charged. So basically it monitors your battery that it doesn't go down on the charge. It maintains the charge completely full, which is a good thing, because once you don't use the car outside, especially now, if you try to use it, if there's no trickle charger on it, it's there's a possibility that the car might not stop because it's not being used for a while. But with this charger, something that you can leave outside, something that you can put under the hood because it's compact size, and you just have to connect the batteries and plug it in, and then this will make sure that your battery is fully charged. So the next time you go out to use your car, it's always gonna start, and it keeps your battery healthy because of the desulfation mode. So that is the Noco Genius 2 compared to the regular battery charger. The only good thing about the standard battery charger, it's 10 amps, but you can only use it indoor. So if you have something you need to charge faster indoor, like inside the garage, then that's the best charger for you. But if you want something that you can leave outside and you want fully automatic mode that you don't have to worry about it, all you have to do is connect the battery and plug it in, and that's it. This is the one for you. But if you want to really go in depth about this Noco Genius 2, go check out my other video, the Noco Genius 2 review video, that you can find out all the details about this Noco Genius 2 charger. And now I will show you the pros and the cons about the regular charger, and the pros and the cons about the Noco Genius 2, so we can find out which one is the right charger for you. At the same time, I will give you my opinion, so you'll find out that you can decide which is the right one for you before you do your purchase. Anyway, the Noco Genius 2, I'll put down the link in the description below. If you're interested in purchasing this Noco Genius 2, the link is down at the description. Now let's go to the pros and the cons. So in my opinion, if you need some fast charging and you're charging indoor, I would prefer the regular battery charger, because this is 10 amps charging, so it charges faster. But if you need something to maintain your battery indoor or outdoor, I prefer the Noco Genius 2, because this is fully automatic and it always keeps your battery fully charged all the time, so when you need to start your car, it's always gonna start. So I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.